Candy, 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 candy.
Last night I dreamt I owned a
Hammond's Candy Factory.
Last night I dreamt that I owned a candy store. Woke up this morning just like the day before. Got 5 pennies and I don't know what to do. Got 5 pennies and I don't know what to do. I need another nickel for the bubble gum I chew.
You do those
He's really very sweet 'cause he brings candy to my door. I love him. I love my candy boy. He works in a candy store and he fills my life with joy. He says, sweet little baby, if I don't get enough, I go on back and get some more and put it on the cup. Yes, I love him. I love my candy boy. He's got lots of tutti frutti. I could eat it by the can. I'm 14 now, but I'll soon be 24. I'm 14 now, but I'll soon be 24. And the man that I married gotta own a candy store with Tootsie Rolls, a Hershey bar, ice cream cone, a candy bar, Cracker Jack, and popcorn too. Cotton candy that's easy to chew. I feel like a millionaire with candy